Classes at the Entrepot Secondary School are on hold until Tuesday. That's the official word from the Ministry of Education, faced with a walkout by teachers over what they say is the unhealthy working conditions, as well as the poor state of some of the school's furniture and equipment. The top brass of the Ministry of Education, along with the leadership of the St. Lucia Teachers Union, met to chart the way forward. The Minister for Education, Dr. Gail Rigobert, says no time was wasted in addressing the complaints at the Entrepot Secondary School.
Evidently, the problem is such that there needs to be a comprehensive assessment of the school, which may reveal the need for comprehensive intervention versus what has obtained up until now, which is to treat the rooms that were most evidently affected. So I have advised the ministry that a comprehensive assessment of the school be done, and by that I mean, notwithstanding that we have already dealt with the rooms that were most affected, that the other rooms be looked at should there be evidence of mold infestation or other considerations that may cause discomfort to students and teachers alike.
Many of St. Lucia's school plants are in dire need of repair. Dr. Rigobert says the Ministry of Education has no choice but to prioritize, putting at the front of the queue cases in which health and safety are factors.
When it comes to health and safety, we move with haste, and given that this has been brought to our attention, that of course we have moved with haste.
Dr. Rigobert says the $10 million spent on school repairs annually over the past 2 years falls far short of what's required.
We have said repeatedly, while we are grateful for the massive injection of $10 million per year over the past 2 years, all the reports that we inherited and the ones that we continue to undertake suggest that we need a minimum of scores of millions of dollars to deal with many of these problems comprehensively.
There are lingering questions about some of the contractors who undertake the works for government. Are they up to the job? How and why were they selected? And crucially, is the taxpayer getting value for money? For the students of the Entrepot Secondary School, their immediate concern is the recommencement of classes on Tuesday, 29th October, as stated by the Ministry of Education. Stanley Lucian for the HGS News Force.